Hello friends, welcome. In this video we are going to create a new mail with a markdown flag and send that mail. So if you go to the markdownguide.org and here go to the cheat sheet, we have an example how we can write the markdown. So add one hashtag for the h1, two hashtags for h2 and so on. Here you can get the how to write the markdown. Now, if you go to the Laravel documentation of mail, down there we have the Markdown Mailable, and we created a Markdown Mail, just the same thing, just we added the Markdown flag, and here the name or the folders we need that here. So let's copy this one and go to the terminal and paste that in. And I'm going to change. So the file is going to be inside the emails, and I'm going to name it second mail, and also the class is going to be the same thing, so second mail. Okay, enter, and now go to the VS Code. Inside the mail we have this second mail, and the second mail is the same thing as the first one, just instead of returning this view is returning this markdown, and the markdown file is inside the emails, and this is the name of the markdown file. So if I go in the views, emails, we have this file. So if I open this one, here we have some Laravel components. This is component mail message, and here is the hashtag for introductions. So it's going to be header. Here we have the body, a button with an empty URL, and thanks, and this, and here we have the app name. Okay, so let's try and send this second mail. To do that, I'm going to go inside the routes, web routes, and here we send the first mail. Let's change this to be second mail, and here we don't accept the name. You make sure you are logged in, so because here we add mail to the user, and we need just to say user here. So let's go to the browser, refresh, and send. Go back, and yeah. And now you see here we have second mail because it's based on the this name, last name, so second mail. And here is the beautiful Laravel Markdown Mail. We have a logo, we have a footer here, down there we have a button. Right now it's empty URL. This is the h1, so the hashtag 1. And let's go and make some changes. And also this is from the test the user who is logged in. Good, let's what we need to do here. So let's add the URL to go to the dashboard. If you go to the Laravel documentation, and here we have an example how to add the URL. Just I'm going to copy this to do this more quick. So go to second mail, and here paste that in. Now we don't have this order URL, but I'm going to add here the route and the dashboard route. Let's save it. And now if I go here, so where is the second mail? And I'm going to add the URL here. $URL and save, but we don't need this indent here. So make sure you save it without indenting, because if we send something like this, so let me send this, refresh, and go back. And if I come here, now that is not going to work because the markdown need to be in this line. Okay. And I added the dashboard here, so let me go and refresh and send first mail again. Okay, go back and let me open now this one. And yeah, now it's looking more nice, and we have this dashboard here. If I click, we go to the dashboard. Okay, very good. Now also, if we want to add attachments, it's going to be the same thing. So let me go to the, so also we don't add it here the name, but you can do the same thing for the second mail. But let me add the attachment. So I'm going to copy this subject and attach from the first one, and just I'm going to leave this the view and add it to the second mail. So instead of return $sign this, I'm going to paste that in. Return this and attach from storage. We added that one, and the subject is subject and the markdown. Okay, let's save it. Come here and refresh. The send mail. Okay, come here, and now we have attachments here. Okay, and the same thing. So that's it for this video, friends. Hope you enjoy, and if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. All the best, and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.